Hello everyone, we are Rufai from Class DA25 Tier 1. Today we are excited to share with you some information about the weather in Vietnam, including general weather patterns, extreme weather events, and ways to address climate change in our country. Vietnam's climate is very diverse from the north to the south. Thus, region has different seasons. In the north, there are four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. First, spring starts from March to May. In spring, the weather becomes warmer with temperatures around 20 to 21 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for planting. This is also the time when many major long-standing traditional festivals. Next, summer starts from early June to August. The weather in this season usually features prolonged heat wave, and the temperature can rise to 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. The next season is autumn, which starts from September to November. The temperature gradually decreases with no more intense sunlight, replaced instead by gentle rays. Occasional showers occur, but the weather remains cool and pleasant, making it ideal for both domestic and international tourists to visit. Winter in northern Vietnam lasts from November to February. The average temperature is between 13 and 15 degrees Celsius, but it can sometimes drop below 10 degrees. In high mountain areas like Sapa and Mẫu Sơn, snow and frost are rare. The weather is usually rainy and humid, with fog, making it feel cold and damp. The weather in central Vietnam each year has two main seasons, the dry season and the rainy season. The dry season lasts from January to August and is mostly sunny, dry, and has little rain. From May to August, temperature can rise to between 35 and 40 degrees Celsius, especially when hot, dry long winds blowing. This makes it feel very hot, especially in provinces like Nghệ An, Hà Tĩnh, and Quảng Bình. In contrast, the rainy season lasts from September to December. During this time, there are often heavy rains, especially from September to November, which can cause flooding and landslide in provinces like Quảng Bình, Quảng Trị, Thừa Thiên Huế, Quảng Nam, and Quảng Ngãi. The temperatures during the rainy season drop to an average of 18 to 25 degrees Celsius, making it cooler than the dry seasons. This season also brings storms with strong winds and heavy rain that can greatly affect the lives of people living along the coast. The weather in southern Vietnam is mainly divided into two seasons: the dry season and the rainy season. The dry season starts in December and lasts until April of the next year. During this time, the south usually has a lot of sunshine and very little rain, especially in December and January when the air is dry and fresh, making it great for outdoor activities. In contrast, the rainy season begins in May and lasts until November. In this season, the south often has sudden rain showers, especially in the afternoon and evening. The rain can come quickly but usually does not last long, leading to humid weather that can feel uncomfortable. The temperatures during the rainy season stay fairly high, from 24 to 32 degrees Celsius, but because of the high humidity, it can feel even hotter than it really is.
Extreme weather Vietnam faces various extreme weather events, including typhoons, flooding, and droughts. Typhoons occur between July and November, affecting coastal provinces in the central and northern regions, such as Quảng Bình, Nghệ An, Thái Bình, and Hải Phòng. These strong winds, and heavy rainfall, leading to severe flooding and damage to infrastructure and agriculture. For example, Typhoon Yagi hit northern Vietnam in September 2024, causing significant flooding, especially in Quảng Ninh and Hải Phòng, with many casualties reported. Flooding typically follows typhoon and occur from September to November, impacting areas like central Vietnam, Quảng Nam, Quảng Ngãi, Bình Định, and parts of the north, Hà Nội, Ninh Bình. These floods can submerge homes, destroy crops, and create serious health risks. In 2020, central Vietnam experiences one of its worst flooding events in decades, leaving hundreds of thousands homeless. Drought occurs from November to April, mainly in central Vietnam, Kon Tum, Gia Lai, and southern Vietnam, Tây Ninh, Bình Thuận. Prolonged dry spell lead to water shortages, significantly affecting agriculture and daily life. Recently, the Mekong Delta faced severe drought conditions, impacting about 70,900 households due to saltwater intrusion into freshwater sources.
Deal with the harsh weather we have today, we need to find a way to deal with it. First, we should land more trees in upstream forests and cut them earlier to help prevent floods, landslides, and soil erosion. Utilize renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, gas, and tidal energies is crucial, while limiting the use of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, and correcting the use of public transportation such as bus and coach can reduce reliance on personal vehicles and minimize environmental pollution. We should also opt for environmentally friendly goods, including biodegradable bags, clothes, bamboo tubes, and beeswax wraps. By developing their measures, we can effectively address the challenge posed by extreme weather and work towards a more sustainable future.
In summary, Vietnam experienced a variety of weather patterns across its region and extreme weather events across every year. Therefore, we must address climate change in our country.